CBEN, we define a competency as the knowledge and skills that you need paired with the ability and the behavior or the dispositions. So we would say like listing a skill is not enough. So for example, I can use Excel. That's a skill, but that's not really the skill that we need, right? You need to know if I can analyze financial information under a deadline and actually make a recommendation. That is a competency, right? Is to be able to actually pair my skill, being able to look at an Excel or use an Excel sheet with application in context. And so when we talk to employers, honestly, across literally any field, if I'm talking about nursing, education, cybersecurity, they talk about skills last. They talk about behaviors and dispositions first. They will say things like, I need a nurse who can demonstrate compassion and empathy. I need a teacher who can receive feedback under pressure and still keep going. And they're talking about dispositions and abilities. And so a competency really is that full package. You still need the knowledge, you still need the skill, but we need to pair it with application and behavior for it to be a full competency and not just a rote set of skills that people have. A skill is not enough in our world.